But how do we turn a freezer into a garden? Step 1. Global warming on purpose. Mars is too cold. We need to thicken the atmosphere to trap heat. Scientists have proposed crazy ideas. From placing giant mirrors in orbit to focus sunlight, to releasing super greenhouse gases, or even Elon Musk's idea of nuking the polar ice caps to release frozen carbon dioxide instantly. If successful, the sky would turn from red to a hazy gray, and the atmospheric pressure would start to rise. Liquid water could finally exist on the surface without instantly evaporating. Once the planet is warm enough, the ancient ice melts. Massive floods would rush through the dry canyons of Valles Marineris. Imagine standing on a Martian cliffside, watching the first rainstorm in 3 billion years. Low-lying plains would turn into shallow seas. The red planet would slowly become the blue planet. But water isn't enough. We need air we can actually breathe. This is the longest phase. We would seed the planet with extreme bacteria and algae organisms that eat rock and CO2 to produce oxygen. Over centuries, gray lichen would cover the rocks. Then, genetically modified plants would take root, creating a biosphere. It would take 1,000 years, but eventually, the air would be rich enough for humans to walk outside without a spacesuit. Mars would be green, alive. Terraforming Mars is the greatest engineering challenge humanity will ever face. It won't happen in our lifetime, or even our grandchildren's. But the dream of a green Mars proves one thing. Humanity refuses to accept limits. We look at a dead world and see a garden. So, what do you think? Should we leave Mars pristine? Or is it our destiny to bring it to life? Let me know in the comments below.